Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we are going to telling you know something about this Bluetooth MIDI Saxo headphone, that how you can pair this MIDI Saxo headphone with two phones or two laptops or one laptop or one mobile phone at a single time. You are listening very right. It happens many times that we have more than one device and we want to connect them with a single Bluetooth headset, and I'm using this maybe Saxo Bluetooth headphone. That how you can connect. Now what we have to do, if we want to connect it in a mobile phone, then we have to just do a thing that we have to just press this power button and keep pressing until it start and get into pairing mode. As you can see, it said pairing. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to our mobile phone's Bluetooth section over here and keep press it for a few seconds and search for new devices available. And when it search for a few seconds, it show the new mobile devices for connecting Bluetooth devices. We have to just click on this, and after that it says that paired. As you can see in front of you, it says paired. Now what we have to do, if we want to connect it in other mobile phone, what we have to do, we have to just switch it off by long pressing. It says that powered off. And now what we have to do, we have to just keep press it and press it until get into pairing mode. As you can see in front of you, it started blinking red and blue. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to second mobile phone or laptop. If you are doing it in a laptop, then keep watch the video from I button given in the description too. Now what we have to do, we have to just long press on Bluetooth option, and then we have to just search for available devices. As you can see, two devices are available. My one is maybe Saxo. I'm going to connecting it over here, and now it's ask you that you really want to pair this device. Then you have to just click on pair. As you can see, it's asking you, you may have to click on this pair option. Now it has been paired with this device. What we have to do, we have to just switch long press on this maybe Saxo, switch it off and switch it again, switch it on again, and it says paired. What we have to do now, we have to just go to this Bluetooth option over here, and we have to just click on tap on this Saxo. As you can see, now it has been paired, but there is a catch that you can play only on a single device. How you can do so? I'm going to playing over here any music. As you can see, music is played on this device. Now what we have to do, if we want to play on this device, what we can do, we have to search music onto this, and then we can play this over here. Now both tracks will not be played, then we have to switch one track off, and now you have to just check out that your music is playing on. This music is playing from this device. Switch it off, switch it on, switch it off, switch it on. Two devices are different than each other, and you can easily play the music from over here, as you can see. And you there. Hope you understand how you can connect two mobile devices with a single maybe Saxo Bluetooth headphone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.